Hello, children. I hope so. I'm audible. Am I audible, Chirag? Yes. Yeah, it is just 10:27. Hi, Vihan. Hi, Chirag. Okay. Let us wait for some time. Hi, Likit. Let us wait for some more time. Yes, it is 10:30 now. Now it's time to start the session. Okay, but let us wait for one more minute. Okay, I hope so you guys are studying, okay, well, and you are preparing for your exams. So now let us not wait, okay, for a long time. Okay, let others also join. Have patience, children, have patience. Yes, I hope so. You guys are studying well. You guys are preparing. Okay, we'll start the session exactly by 10:36, children. Okay, have patience. Have patience. Yes, children. Let's not delay. Okay, we solved till section A yesterday. Okay, so now we are going to continue with section B. Okay, just now, just let me confirm once again whether I am audible or not. Am I audible? Am I audible, children? Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. So now in section A, we okay done 15 MCQs in the previous class, and we are going to solve the section B in the today's class, right? So I'm sure that it is going to help you definitely. Okay, so let's not delay, right? Thank you so much for your patience, and let us take the first question here. See, obviously I told you will be having the 30 I mean 15 minutes of reading time. Okay, 15 minutes of reading time to be utilized very, very, very efficiently. The 15 minutes of reading time to be utilized very efficiently, and in this 15 minutes of reading time only you should decide which are the four questions you are going to answer from the section B. I don't want you guys to waste your time in the reading writing time to decide on what are the 4 questions to be attempted. Clear? So in the reading time only you decide which are the 4 questions to be attempted. It's a waste of time if you start reading section A. Since section A being a very compulsory section, don't read section A, children. Okay, it is very compulsory section. Don't read section A. Start reading section B and decide which are the 4 questions you are going to attend. Right. So now here, see, it's a 3-mark question. It's a very simple question seems to be very difficult, and okay, you may be having the thing in mind that okay, oh my god, there are 20% of no competency based questions. Oh my god, how can I attempt it? What is competency? It's so difficult, I cannot attempt. Competency doesn't mean that no, it is something rocket science. Okay, so trust your hard work, children. You concentrate on your concepts. So concept is the power. If you know the concept, if you know how to, right, how to attend it, okay, how to tackle the question, you are get to know. Okay, so now let us see what is asked to find out here. You're asked to find out the matrix A B plus C minus of 14i. So since here it is already given to you, what is I is nothing but the identity matrix. So whenever I have this matrix A outside, I'll just keep this one. See, first I can do B plus C. What is B plus C? That is 1 2 2 4 plus of 1 4 1 5. Okay, this is B plus C. Right, so now it is B plus C. You can add two matrices only when the order of the matrices are same. Right, so row into row into column and row into column. Okay, so you must add, we can add the matrices only when the order are same. Clear? Okay, so now it's better, children please concentrate here. Okay, stop chatting with each other. Okay, children, really I'm getting distracted. It's high time to be very attentive. Okay, it's high time to be very attentive. Okay, Harshit, it's high time to be very attentive. If not now, never it is. Okay, right. So now I will add this 1 plus 4, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 and 4 plus 5. Okay, how are you adding it? You are adding 1 plus 4, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, then 1 plus 5. So the answer is going to be 5 3 3 and 9. 5 3 3 and 9 you are going to get. This is our B plus C. Now it is, if you observe carefully, you are supposed to find out A into B plus C. So matrix A is given to you here. Next, what I am doing over here is pay attention. Next, A into B plus C. You can do it together, children, or you can just do it separately like this and multiply that matrix with A. So now A is what? A is 1 3 2 4 and B plus E is 5 3 3 9. Okay, now if you multiply this, you are going to get it as see, I'm writing all the steps together so that you can understand it in a better way. 1 into 5 you are going to get plus of 3 into 3. So you are going to take the rows of the first matrix over here to be multiplied with the columns of the second matrix. So 1 into 5, 3 into 3, then later again 1 into 3 plus of 3 into 9. Then again over here 2 into 5 plus 4 into 3, then 2 into 3 plus 4 into 9. Clear, children? Okay, so when you multiply this, you are going to get it as 5 plus 9, then 3 plus 27, then 10 plus 12, then 6 plus 36. Clear, children? Okay, 5 into 1 is 5, 3 into 3 is 9, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 9 is 27, 2 into 5 is 10, 4 into 3 is 12, then 2 into 3 is 6, 4 into 9 is 36. So the answer what I'm going to get over here is 14, 13, then 22 and 42. What is the answer for this? Answer is I'm getting this answer only for this. Clear? So next what I'm going to do, I have to find out the total answer minus 14i. Right? So now what I'm going to do is 14, 13, 22, 42 minus of 14 into I is 1001. This scalar multiplication you are supposed to do. Okay, scalar multiplication you are supposed to do. So now you are doing 14, 30, 22, 42. Okay, minus of 14, 0, 0, 14. When you multiply each and every number to be multiplied with the 14, whatever number you have inside to be multiplied with the 14. I hope so it is clear. So now you are going to get a 14 minus 14, 30 minus 0, 22 minus 0, then 42 minus 14. So that is equal to 0, 30, 22. Then when you subtract 14 from it, this is going to be 28. Okay, right. So this is how to, okay, you are going to get the answers. Here I'll just tell you the marks distribution. So this is the first marks what you are going to get, and the final answer you are going to get 1 mark over here and 1 mark over here. So you need to understand, you need to understand that all the 4 elements in the matrices should be same. Okay, all the 4 elements in the matrices should be same. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, so now let us move to the next question. The next question is, okay, it's from the coordinate geometry. See here, if the figure is given to you, okay, that is boon in disguise for you children. If the figure is not given, you have to draw the figure according to the data. Clear? So now triangle ABC. First of all, draw the triangle ABC. Okay, name this vertex as A, name this vertex as B, and name this vertex as C. Right, so this is 1 comma minus 1, then B is 0 comma 4, then C is minus 6 comma 4. Okay, it is given to you. Right, find D is the midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC. BC is over here, so D is a midpoint of BC. Means what? This is the midpoint. Okay, then find the coordinates of D. You are supposed to find out the coordinates of D. Okay, any idea children, how can I find out the coordinates of D here? Any idea? Yes. Okay, any idea how to find out the coordinates of C? Okay, how to solve this paper in 10 minutes? Okay, you better, okay, close the books and sleep, dear. Okay, 10 minutes is not sufficient to solve this question. Okay, right. So now think and tell me, how can I find out? Okay, clear? How can I find out? What should I use over here? Midpoint formula I should use. Very good, Pranav. Okay, right. Midpoint formula I'll use. So by midpoint formula, since they are telling that D is a midpoint of BC. So by midpoint formula, okay, what can I write for the midpoint formula, children? Midpoint formula says that, by midpoint formula I can say that coordinates of D is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, easily scoring chapter, children. Easily scoring chapter. Right, x1 plus x2, 0 plus of minus 6 divided by 2, then 4 plus of 4 divided by 2. Okay, so this is minus 3 and 8 by 2, that is going to be 4. So this is the coordinates of D. Now equation of median AD. So in the sense what, you are supposed to find out the equation of median AD. So children, you must know to find out equation of a line. Okay, to find out equation of a line, what is necessary? You must know the slope of the line. Okay, how do you find out the slope of the line? There are 2 ways to find out the slope of the line. Okay, right. There are 2 ways to find out the slope of a line. What are the 2 ways to find out the slope of line? When the 2 points, right on the line are given to you, x2, y2, then the slope of the line is going to be, m is going to be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or I must know the angle of inclination of that particular line. That means what? The theta must be known to me. Okay, theta must be known to me. Then also I can find out the line. Okay, slope of the line. So now over here, pay attention. All right. So I know the coordinates of 2 points through which the AD passes. Okay, so I can find out the slope of AD is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Right, what are the 2 points through which the AD is passing? A is passing through 1 comma minus 1, and D, whose coordinates we have found it out. Okay, whose coordinates we have found it out. So now I can find out the slope of the line. As a, please do along with me, children. Don't simply keep watching. Okay, don't simply keep watching, do along with me. Okay, so now here D is a minus, D is a minus 3 and 4. D is minus 3 and 4. So now I can find out the slope of the line as a 4 minus of minus 1 divided by minus 3 minus 1. Okay, I'm just taking this one as a x1 y1. Okay, this as a x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, 4 minus of minus 1, then minus 3, that is x2, minus of minus, okay, minus 1, that is 1 over here. So now I can write this one as a 4 plus 1 minus 4, that is equal to 5 by minus 4, that is nothing but minus 5 by 4. Okay, minus 4 by minus 5 by 4 is going to be the slope. Clear, children? Any doubt over here? So now equation of AD by point slope form. Point slope form. Equation of AD by point slope form. I can write this one as y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Clear? So either you can take y1 x1 as the coordinates of D, or you can take the coordinates of A also. Now y minus of, I can take anything, y minus of minus 1 is equal to m is what, minus 4 by minus 5 by 4, okay, into, okay, x minus of, here I have taken these two, okay, these 2 points. So y1 I have taken minus 1, x1 to be taken as 1. So when I remove the bracket, y plus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 5 into x minus 1. So 4y plus 4 is equal to minus 5x plus 5. So what is the equation of the line I'm getting? So I'm getting it as 5x plus of 4y, okay, plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. So 5x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So this is going to be the equation of the line. See, if you observe carefully, this is a 3-mark question. This is a 3-mark question. Clear? Okay, so when I'm saying this is a 3-mark question, how actually the marks are distributed? So first one is 1 mark for finding out the coordinates of D, then finding out the slope of AD, you will get 1 mark, and the equation of the line AD, you are going to get 1 mark. Clear? Are you getting it? Okay, so now let me see. Right, okay, children, you don't, okay, chat with each other something unnecessary, right? Please don't do that. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, concentrate here so that you can get some good things out of the class. Clear? Okay, I hope so this is clear. Let me check. Please comment, children, if you are following it. Are you getting it? Okay, please check. Okay, please check it out. Please check it out whether you are following it or not. Okay, please comment, please comment whether you are following it or not. Okay, yes, so that I can proceed with the next one. Okay, thank you so much, thank you so much. So the next question is the question on the circles. Right, so next question is question on the circles. Now you have 4 sub questions over here. As I told you, you need to try it out, now be ready with 4 answers here. Let me check how many of you have, okay, solved this one. Okay, the chapter circles, how many of you have worked out? Be ready with the answer, children. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Be ready with the answers. Let me check. Okay, be ready with the answers. I'm giving you some time to work on this. I'm giving you some content. Please check it out, children. Please check it out. Be ready with the answers. Be ready with the answers. Yes. Yes. Use the theorems. Be ready with the answers. Yeah. Let us take now. I hope so. You guys have got the answers for this. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. BAT is 50 degree. Fine. Right. Somebody is telling I have solved this paper in the morning. Very nice, child. Very nice. Very nice of you. Okay. Okay. Good. Right. So now let us solve this one. Let me check. I hope so you guys have got the answers for this. Right. So length of PT. How can I find out the length of PT here? You know that one of the theorem that whenever a tangent, okay, and a chord are intersecting externally, whenever a tangent and a chord are intersecting externally, then the length of the square of the length of the tangent is equal to the product of the segments of the chord. So now here I can write with that theorem. Look at the screen very carefully. I can write this one as PT square is equal to PB into AP. Okay, PD into AP, PB into AP. So that's the statement of the theorem to be written. What is the statement of the theorem? Theorem says that, as I just told you, whenever a chord and a tangent are intersecting internally, I mean externally, whenever a chord and a tangent are intersecting externally, the square of the length of the tangent is equal to product of the segments of the chord. So now PB is how much? It is 16 into AP is how much, run? AP, if you observe it carefully, 9 plus 16, it is 25. Clear? So it is 25. Right. So PT square is equal to this much. PT is equal to square root of 16 into 25. Both of them are perfect square. 4 into 5. That is equal to 20 centimeter. You are going to get PT as. Right, you are going to get PT as a 20 centimeter. Very simple, children. Very simple. Okay. Now be very careful about the next question, that is B. Right. B is a BAT. Right. So BAT is which angle? If you observe carefully, BAT is this angle. Correct? BAT is this angle. Right. So how can I find out BAT, children? Any idea? BAT is 50 degree. Somebody was telling, right? So BAT is a 50 degree. So I can write BAT, the angle BAT is equal to angle BTP. Okay, BTP. The reason is alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem. Only this much should not be written as the reason. Only this much should not be written as the reason. You should write the statement of the theorem as reason. Statement of the theorem as reason. What is the statement? In the yesterday's live class also I told, whenever a chord is drawn at the point of contact, okay, the angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to angle in the alternate segment. Angle in the alternate segment. So this angle is equal to this angle. So now I can write that BAT is equal to 50 degree. BAT is equal to 50 degree. So third angle is BOT. So BOT, which is the BOT, children? BOT is this angle. This angle I'm supposed to find out. So now you know that whenever a angle is formed at the center, the angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed in the same segment. If this is x, this is 2x. Now if you observe it carefully, so this angle is formed at the center and this angle is formed in the same segment. So if this angle is 50 degree, so this angle is going to be 100 degree. Clear? So how can I write angle BOT is equal to twice of angle BAT. So statement of the theorem to be written. I am telling you again and again, again and again. You are not supposed to be just write the theorem. Don't just write the theorem. You should write the statement of the theorem. What is the statement of the theorem? Angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed in the same segment. That is the statement of the theorem. Clear? Okay, so now BOT is going to be twice of 50 degree, so that is going to be 100 degree. So BOT is 100. Now take the fourth sub question, ABT. Where is ABT? ABT is this angle. Okay, ABT is this angle. Okay, how can I find out this angle? Any idea? Any idea? How can I find out this angle? Any idea, children? Okay. You are forcing me to block somebody, children. Okay. You are forcing me to block somebody. Okay, I can do that. Please concentrate. Okay, I don't want to see, okay, the unwanted comments over here. This is for your kind information. Okay. This is for your kind information. Right. So now how are you going to get the angle ABT? ABT is this angle. ABT is this angle. Yes, come on. Any idea? ABT is 85 degree. Okay, somebody is telling it is 85 degree. Okay. You find it out. ABT is how much? Please tell me. ABT. Can you tell me how much is ABT? I redraw the figure once again for you. See, this is the figure ABT. So you identified this as 50 degree. Okay, and you identified this as 100 degree. ABT is this angle. Okay, see here, if you observe it carefully, this side is equal to this side because they are the radii of the circle. So that becomes isosceles triangle. See, this side equal to this side and this angle is 100 degree. So this angle, these two sides are equal to, angles are equal to each other. So now each of them are going to be 40 and 40. Right. So mean to say this angle becomes 40. So ABT is going to be 40 plus 45, that is 85. Right. But how do you write it? How do you write it? Okay, that is very important. So how can I write it? Please pay attention. The evaluator is going to give you the marks. Okay. Only by observing the written answer. So in triangle BOT, I can write OB is equal to OT. That implies angle OBT is equal to OTB. Okay, so now I can say that angle OBT plus of OTB plus of BOT is equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property. OBT is not known to you. I will just keep this OBT as it is. OTB can also be written as OBT. Okay, plus of 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. So twice of OBT is equal to, I'll get it as 80 degree. So that implies OBT is equal to 40 degree. So therefore I can say the fourth angle, that is angle ABT, is equal to OBT plus of OBA. So that is nothing but 40 plus 45, that is equal to ABT is equal to 85. This is how you are going to get. Clear? Clear? Okay, right? So please, okay, right? Yes, please, children. Okay, concentrate. Don't involve in spamming, right? Don't involve in spamming, children. Okay, now please, right? Steps necessary for construction. As I told you earlier, children. Okay, long back there was 1 mark for the steps of construction. So don't take the risk. Write the steps in short. Okay, don't write the elongated steps. Understood? Loci is already done. You have one more video in my account where I have explained loci in detail. Please go and check that one. Okay, right. Be quick, right? Any other doubt, children? Any other doubt? I hope so. You are getting the things how to do it. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. That is question 5, which is on GST. Now, Mrs. Arora bought the following articles from the departmental store. Okay, right. There is a chart given to you. There's a chart given to you. Right. So I told you whenever no transaction between the states or cities is given, okay, you have to take it as the intrastate transaction only. You have to state that intrastate transaction only. Clear? So now here extend the column. So what is this here? You can write this one as a sale price. This is sale price. You can write this one column you can make as sale price, total sales price. Then yes, GST, one more column you can make, and CGST you can make one more column. Clear? So now here observe it carefully, children. Observe it carefully. You can do the rough work in the rough column. No issues. You can do the rough work in the rough column. Okay, but the answer to be written in the answer column, I mean here in the table, that's fine. Okay, rough work need not be shown. So some of you right now in detail like a essay type of answers for these questions. Please avoid doing that. You should not irritate the evaluator, children. Evaluator should, okay, be very happy to see your answer sheet, right? So please don't, okay, write the essay kind of answers for this, right? So please write the answers in the tables where evaluator can find your answers very easily and I'll assign you some marks. Clear? Right. So now hair oil cost 1200 and rate of GST is 18%. Now discount is given to you as 100%. I mean 100 rupees. So now what is nothing? What is the sale price here? 1100 rupees is the sale price. If rate of GST is 18%, yes, GST is going to be 9% of 1100. So this get cancelled. 99 rupees is the GST. So CGST also will be same. Clear? Understood? CGST should also remain same. So next one is cashew nuts. Cashew nuts, for the cashew nuts there is no discount. There is no discount. So sale price is also same as the mark price. So now what is the rate of discount here? It is 12%. So 12% of 600 you calculate and divide it by 2, or you can directly calculate 6% of 600. Okay, these two zero get cancelled. 36 rupee. You are going to get it as 36 rupee and 36 rupee GST. So now pay attention, children. So total SGST for whole transaction you are going to get it as 105, and also here this is 105. Okay, is it 105? Yeah, no, 135. Okay, so it is 135 and 135, right? So total GST paid. What is total GST paid? You can write this one as a total SGST and total CGST. 135 plus 135, that is a 270 rupees is nothing but the total GST paid. Okay, so total amount of the bill, right? What is the total amount of the bill including GST? Sale price is how much you are getting? 1700, right? Total amount of the bill should include 1700 plus of 270, so 0791. So rupees 1970 rupees is the total bill including GST. Total bill including GST. Is that clear? Is that clear? So do the calculation somewhere in your rough column. As I told you earlier in earlier videos, you should do the rough work related to that particular question just beside it. Okay, so that the evaluator can find out your rough work very easily and assign you some mark. Clear? Right. So please do the rough work just beside the solution. Don't do it somewhere else. Okay. Please, right, ask your friends to join. Okay, share the link to them. Please, you people watch it but you don't like it. Okay, please like it and subscribe. All right, share the videos to your friends, ask them to join the classes. Right, so now solve the following inequation, write down the solution set and represent it on the number line. Here most of the children, whenever we do evaluation, most of the children, where they go wrong is they never even understand when the number line to be, okay, marked with the intermediate places between the two digits should be shaded, when it should be shaded, when it should not be shaded. So now see, R belongs to N. If R belongs to N, so the shading should happen like this is the number line. Okay, if this is the number line, children, shading should happen like if these are the solution set, it should be like this. You are marking the solution set like this on the number line. If R, okay, sorry, the number belongs, x belongs to N. If x belongs to W, that is whole number, again the same thing should happen. Okay, N here in the sense when it is natural number, obviously minus and 0 won't come. If it is W, it will come. Okay, natural number only positive 1 2 3 will come. Whole number you can take the answers, the solution set as, you can definitely take now 0. You can mark it, but you cannot put the dot on them. Okay, you can mark the negative numbers, you can mark the, okay, 0 also, right, but you cannot mark, you can don't put dot on the negative numbers, right? But when x belongs to real numbers, then only the solution set, whatever you are writing, okay, to be written in the set builder form, and the intermediate places should be, okay, shaded according to the solution set. It should be shaded according to the solution set. Clear? This you think you need to understand. Please do not write like this whenever the number solution set is set of real, whole numbers or natural numbers. Now let us solve this equation now. Okay, so it is given to you that minus 5 of x minus 9 greater than or equal to 17 minus 9x, okay, greater than x plus 2. So what I do here is minus 5 x minus 9 greater than or equal to 17 minus 9x. Okay, then here what can I write is 17 and 17 minus of 9x greater than x plus 2, right? If you understand carefully, x belongs to set of real numbers, x belongs to set of real numbers. Okay, now pay attention. Okay, some who is this? Okay, toxic Taylor. Yeah, toxification is going to happen on 2nd of March, child. Okay, be ready for that. Okay, that I can understand that you are not here to learn something. Okay, you are not ready to, okay, learn something. Okay, you are here to do the time pass, which is not accepted, children. Okay, please be serious. Okay, I'm really worried. Okay, what is the result of your exam, children. Please be serious, right? Yeah, so now it is almost 11:11. You know that I'm just doing it for yourself. Okay, please take the best use of it. Okay, right. So now here I will remove the bracket minus 5x plus of 45 greater than or equal to 17 minus 9x. Now I'll bring this 9x over here, minus 5x plus of 9x greater than or equal to 17 minus 45. So here what I'm going to get is 4x greater than or equal to, okay, 45 minus of 17. If you do, you are going to get it as 28 but minus sign. So right, so x is greater than or equal to minus 28 divided by 4. X is greater than or equal to minus 7 I get. Okay, here what are you going to get? 17 minus 9x greater than, here it is just greater than, it's not equal to. Okay, so this is greater than x plus 2. Right, literally I'm not reading your comments, children. Okay, right, if you genuinely are asking some good doubts or something, I can read it. Otherwise it's of no use reading your comments. Okay, so please, okay, I can solve your doubts, I can help you, right? Please ask something. Okay, genuine doubts or something. Is it compulsory that we do GST questions like that previous one, tabular column? Yes, you can make the evaluator comfortable, where evaluator can easily see the answers quickly. Okay, if you keep on writing in the theoretical method summary type, no, it is quite difficult for the evaluator to identify what is GST, what is HGST and all. Okay, so again, GST questions like previous, yes. Okay, now okay, please stop doing all that things, really, children. Really I'm telling you. Okay, you can just take it as no, my request, please concentrate. I'm worried about your results. Okay, please stop doing all that things at least now. Okay, you have to be serious about your results. 17 minus 9x greater than x plus 2. So here 17 minus 2, okay, greater than x plus of 9x. So I get over here it is 15, then 10x. So x is 15 by 10. X is smaller than 3 by 2. Okay, so x is smaller than 3 by 2, x is smaller than 1 by 2. When I combine these two, x is smaller than 1 by 2 but greater than or equal to minus 7, greater than or equal to minus 7. Okay, should we prefer histogram or ogive? I didn't understand what you mean by this. Okay, but as per my knowledge, you are asking whether you have to choose histogram or ogive. You have to choose. It is a very compulsory type of questions. Okay, it is. I suggest you to, okay, go ahead with the questions wherever you are having histogram and ogive kind of questions, which will definitely give you good marks, right? So now once you combine these two, now many of the children will not write the solution set. Solution set should be written. Okay, so what is the replacement set over here? Replacement set is set of real numbers. Okay, how the solution set should be? Solution set should be, how it should be? It should be in the set builder form. Okay, how can I write that one? So solution set is x such that x belongs to the set of real numbers and x is smaller than 1 by 2 and smaller than, greater than or equal to minus 7. Okay, now the important part is you have to represent the solution set on a number line. You have to represent the solution set on number line. Okay, so you are drawing a number line like this. Okay, here comes a very important thing what you need to understand, children. So minus 7 is over here, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, okay, 2, 3 and 4. Don't forget to write the arrowheads. X is greater than or equal to minus 7. Minus 7 is over here. Okay, always you should keep in mind that whatever the lower limit of the solution set, other than that, two extra numbers to be written. Okay, other than that, two extra numbers to be written. So here minus 7 is there. I'll put a circle on it, right? So two numbers are extra, and the arrowhead on either side of the number line is very important. Okay, so either side of the number line is very important. So now greater than or equal to is there, so I will shade this one. So I will shade this one because it is equal to, and 1 by 2, this is plus 1 by 2, it comes in between 1 and 2. Okay, should I shade the circle here? No, because it says that it is just x is lesser than this one, it is not equal to. I don't shade this one, but one important thing is what I should write this number 1 by 2. I should mention it on the number line. Okay, I should mention it on the number line. If I'm not mentioning it, okay, my question, my answer won't carry full marks. Right now you just draw a line like this and shade all the place in between. Okay, this should be shaded. Okay, but don't shade the circle. Do not shade this circle or ring, whatever you call. Okay, so if you are doing like this, you are going to get definitely a 3 mark. Okay, nothing much is involved over here, children. Okay, nothing much is involved over here. Very, 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 very simple question. Very simple question. Okay, so this can be easily done. Easily, okay, achievable question. Okay, now let us see the next one. I'm giving you some time to solve this one. Okay, please solve this one, children. Please solve this one and be ready with the answers. Solve this one and be ready with the answer. Yes, are you all getting it how to do? Are you all getting it how to do? Yes, Bhagat, it is always better to learn something extra. Okay, don't compromise with less. No problem. If it is not there, nothing okay will happen. You learn more. What if it is not clearly given in the syllabus also that it is not there? Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, always it is better for you guys to learn about it. Okay, so now prove GED is similar to GBF, right? GED, which triangle? GED is this triangle. Okay, GBF is this triangle, and it is given to you that this is parallel to this. DE is parallel to BF. Okay, so now let me check whether I'm audible or not, children. Am I audible, children? Am I audible, children? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Fine. So now what I do here is I will take this triangle GED, and triangle GBF. Okay, so G is vertically opposite angle for both the triangle. E should be in the place of B because right, they are interior alternate angles. Clear? So I'll write it as angle EGD is equal to BGF. Okay, so vertically opposite angles, then angle GED is equal to angle GBF. So interior alternate angles. Clear? So therefore triangle GED is similar to triangle GBF. Okay, by angle criteria. Now once I prove them they are similar, I can write down the proportional sides. GE by GB equal to ED by BF is equal to GD by GF. So whatever is known to you, write down. GE. Is GE known to you? Yes, it is known to you. GB. Is it known to you? Yes, it is known to you. Is equal to ED. Is ED known to you? No, it is not known to you. Is BF known to you? Yes, it is known to you. Okay. GD. Is GD known to you? No, it is not known to you. It is not asked also. GF is known to you. It is not known to you. So now you take these two. You take these two. So when I take these two, what I'm going to get is 1 by 2 into 30 is equal to ED. Okay, so that is equal to 15 is equal to ED. I'm going to get. So therefore I can write DE is equal to 15 centimeter. DE is equal to 15 centimeter. Clear? So once I get that one, dB is to AB, I'm supposed to find out. dB is this one, dB is to AB, I'm supposed to find out. Clear? So for that, what I do is I will take the triangle BED and triangle BCA I will take. So angle EBD is equal to CBA. The angle is common. Then angle BE, right? D, angle BED is equal to angle BCA. This is nothing but the corresponding angles. So therefore triangle BED is similar to triangle BCA. Why? Angle again. So now I can write the corresponding sides like BE by BC is equal to BE by BC is equal to BD by BA. BD by BA. Okay, what I'm supposed to find out? DB I want. Okay, so BD, DB, AB I want. So BE is known to you. Is BE known to you? Yes, BE is how much? 16 plus 8, that is 24. By BC, is BC known to you? Okay, is BC known to you, child? DE you have found out. Don't take BC. Then you write on one more side. Okay, BE you have taken, BD you have taken, then you take out ED and CA you write down. Okay, so consider these two. Consider these two. Okay, BC, BE is known to you, that is 24. BC we are supposed to, otherwise you can take BD also, no problem. Right, so what I'm supposed to find out? DB is to AB. DB is what? This. AB is this. Right, so you can take DE only. DE and CA you can take. So now you just skip this one. This is not required at all because you are supposed to involve these two. That's it, BD and DA. So now BD by BA is equal to ED is how much? You have found it out, that is 15, and CA is how much? That is 24. So when you cancel this one, 5 and 8 I get. So you are asked to find out BD. So I can write that the ratio of DB is to AB is equal to 5 is to 8. Okay, somebody is typed it. Very good, very nice of you, children. Very good. Okay, you have done it. Very nice of you. Many of you got it. Very good. Okay, this is the third question. Now the next question is the following distribution gives the daily wages of 60 workers of a factory. Right, so use a graph to answer this question. Take 2 centimeter equal to 100 rupees along one axis. See here, along one axis they have given, they have not given along which axis. Okay, along one axis, and 2 centimeter equal to 2 workers along the other axis. Draw the histogram, hence find the mode of the given data is the question. Okay, hence find the mode of the given data is the question. So now what we do is, we'll draw the histogram. To draw the histogram, I have to take what they have given. They have given 2 centimeter equal to 100 rupees along one axis. So if I take over here, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are there. Okay, so what I do here is, better I will just take the line over here. This is the y-axis. Okay, and this is the x-axis. Clear? This is origin over here. Suppose if I am directly starting from the 0, I don't need to write the ogive, but here 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300. Okay, so I'm going to start directly with the 200, so I can write down the kink over here and write down this reading as a 200, then this reading as 300, then this reading as 400, 500, 600, 700 and 800. Then 2 workers I am supposed to take. 2 centimeter equal to 2 workers. So here it is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Okay, then 10, 12, 14, 16. This is the highest one. So 200 to 300, how much it is? It is 6. 200 to 300, I will draw a line. If you do it on the graph, you have to use the scale over here, children. Okay, now I am not drawing the exact line. Okay, so excuse me for that. Okay, 200 to 300, it is 6. Then 300 to 400, it is 10. 300 to 400, it is 10. 300 to 400, I'll get a line like this. Then 400 to 500, 14. Okay, 400 to 500, I'm going to get it as 14, like this. Okay, I'm going to get it as 14. Next, after that, 500 to 600, 16. 500 to 600, it is 16. All right, so this is the 16. Okay, workers bar. Okay, so after that it is 10. 10 is over here. Okay, so after drawing this one, next one is 4. 4 is over here. Now what is the modal class? The class having the highest frequency is the modal class. Class having the highest frequency is the okay modal class. Okay, so any some valid comments you are rating? Let me check. I think so. I have clarified your doubts. Input tax and output tax. Okay, Bhagat, yes. Grantik, okay. Okay, topper guy, thank you so much for assuring that. Okay, so please let me know once you get the marks. You have a sound sleep. Okay, thank you so much for making guarantee that you are going to be the topper. Okay, happy to know that, child. Okay, yeah. So now this is the modal class, right? This is the modal class. So I will draw a line like this and another line like this. Okay, as I told you. Okay, so please use the scale. Use the scale. Okay, use the scale, right? But don't use the scale in the case of ogive. Don't use the scale in the case of ogive. Okay, use the scale whenever you are drawing the histogram and marking the points, and you have to draw this line. Method is important, children, over here. Okay, please use a scale over here, and wherever it is meeting, say for example, if it is meeting over here, here there's a big mistake comes. What is the big mistake? See, it is 500 to 600, if it is exactly meeting, see this is a very important thing what you need to understand, children. See, I am just zooming in that one. This is 500 what you have, and this is 600 what you have. In between that you have 10 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so it is 510 520 530 5, okay, 50, like that it is. Okay, don't take it as a 50 501 502 503, no, don't take it like that. Okay, don't take it like that. Okay, so 510 520. So if you observe here, this is 510 520. Okay, 530 530, around 525. Okay, 520 to 530 it is meeting. If you draw the same graph with the help of scale in your graph book, you will get the exact one. But here I am trying to make you understand the, okay, trying to make you understand the method of solving it, children. Okay, so this is about the sixth question, and where you are drawing the mode of the given data. Okay, where you are asked to find out the mode of the given data. Okay, so next one is look at the second question over here of the sixth main. The fifth and ninth term of an arithmetic progression are 4 and minus 12 respectively. So what is given over here? Fifth term, that is t5 is given to you as 4. Fifth term, how can I write it? As a plus 4d is equal to 4. This is first equation. Okay, fifth term is 4, so a plus 4d is equal to 4. Ninth term is minus 12, so t9 is equal to minus 12. So a plus 8d is equal to minus 12. This is second equation. Okay, you are asked to find out the first term. So now what I do here is equation 1 minus equation 2 I do. A plus 4d is equal to 4, then a plus 8d equal to minus 12. So when I subtract them, I'm supposed to change the sign. So these two will get cancelled. I'll get this one as minus 4d is equal to 16. D is equal to minus 4 I get. Now substitute d in equation 1. So a plus 4 into minus 4 is equal to 4. So a minus of 16 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 16. A is equal to 20 you are going to get. A is equal to 20 you are going to get. Okay, so now after finding the first term common difference I have already found out, then the sum of 16th terms. Okay, so next what I'm supposed to find out? Yes, 16 I'm supposed to find out. Okay, yes, 16 I'm supposed to find out. So yes, 16 is equal to, formula is what? N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so 16 by 2, 2 into a is 20 plus of 15 into minus 4. Okay, this is 8, this is 40 minus of 60. Okay, so this is 8, then 40 minus of 60 minus 20, that is minus 160 is nothing but yes 16. Okay, so now here I will tell you one more important thing over here, children, which is not given in the textbook. So whenever you are finding out the common difference in the AP, okay, whenever you are finding out the common difference in the AP, D can also be found out like Tm minus Tn by m minus n. Okay, this formula can be used for the MCQs. Okay, this formula can be used for the MCQs. Okay, Tm minus Tn by m minus n, in the sense what? Here you are getting the fifth term. Fifth term is 4 and ninth term is minus 12. So now I can write this one as 4 minus, look at this, 4 minus of minus 12 divided by, okay, 5 minus 9, 5 minus 9. So 4 plus 16 divided by minus 4. Okay, so that is nothing but 20 divided by, okay, minus 4 you are getting. Clear? So you are getting it as minus 5. Have I gone wrong in finding out D? Let me check. 4 minus of minus, that is okay, so this is right, this is supposed to be 16 over here. This is 16, I mean 12 only. Okay, this is supposed to be 12, so then it is supposed to be 16. This is supposed to be 16. Okay, 16 divided by minus 4. Minus 4 is nothing but the common difference. So this formula can be easily used to find out the common difference directly instead of doing the equations and all. Okay, directly can be found out using the formula, right? This formula it can be done in the MCQs. So now let us see the next question. The next question is the third question, which is on the equation of line, which is on the equation of line. Okay, children, I'll give you some time, okay, to solve it. Solve it. Solve it. Many of you find equation of the line difficult, children. Okay, it's important. It's actually speaking not so difficult. Very simple it is. I'm just giving you some time. Okay, so now A and B are the 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. A is on x-axis. Write down the coordinates of A. So any point on the x-axis is x comma 0. So A is nothing but 4 comma 0. Then coordinates of B is, it is on the y-axis. Any point on the y-axis is 0 comma y. So 0 comma 4 it is. Okay, that is the first sub question. So second sub question is, what is second sub question, child? P is a point on AB such that AP is to PB is 3 is to 1. Okay, AP, okay, is to PB is 3 is to 1. Right, using the section formula, find out the coordinates of P. So what is section formula? So by section formula, what is the coordinates of P? By section formula, I can write down Px comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, then m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so here you can take the coordinates. See, if you take it like this, look at this. This is A, where A is what? It is 4 comma 0 and B 0 comma 4. Okay, so now this is the point P. So AP is 3 and PB is 1. Okay, so now you can take this one as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. This is A 4 comma 0, then this is B 0 comma 4, this is 3 and this is 1. So now what can I do here is m1, that is 3 into 0 plus 1 into 4 divided by 3 plus 1, then 3 into 4 plus 1 into 0 divided by 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 0 plus 4 by 4, then 12 plus 0 by 4. So that is equal to 1 and 3. This is going to be the coordinates of P. This is going to be the coordinate of P. Okay, so later find the equation of the line passing through P and perpendicular to AB. Okay, so now if I am finding out the line, equation of the line passing through P and perpendicular to AB, I must know the slope of AB. So slope of AB, I know that the slope can be found out by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AB. So I can write this one as 4 minus 0, 0 minus 4. So that is 4 by minus 4, that is equal to minus 1. We know that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, and if slope of this line is m1 and slope of this line is m2, then slope of first line, slope of second line is equal to minus 1. So slope of the line, that is required line, is equal to minus 1 by minus 1, that is 1. Understood, children? Okay, so now equation of the required line, which is perpendicular to, in the sense one more line is passing through like this, which is perpendicular to this. Now it is passing through P. So slope, I can write the equation of required line is equal to y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. So y minus of coordinates of P we have found out, that is 3 is equal to m is 1, x minus of 1. So y minus 3 is equal to x minus 1. So x minus y minus 1 plus 3 equal to 0. So that is equal to x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of required line. This is the equation of required line. I hope so you are getting it. Okay, I hope so you are getting it. Okay, now before we proceed to the next question, I am just giving you 2 minutes break. Okay, 2 minutes break, children. Okay, let us have 2 minutes break. I'll come back and solve some more questions. Okay. Yes, children. I hope so. Okay. You two have taken a break. Okay. Mm, fine. Many of you have done it. Okay, fine. So here a bag contains 25 cards numbered from 1 to 25. So here what can I write over here is what is sample space, children? Sample space is going to be, yes, is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 till 25. So now what you have, n of s is equal to 25 you have. Okay, so what is the probability of that the number on the card is multiple of 5? 1 to 25 it is number. Okay, so now multiple of 5, multiple of 5, I'll just call this as event number 1. So I'll get it as a 5, 1 to 25, yeah. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, right? So n of e1 is equal to, I get it as 5, right? So probability of a multiple of 5. So always keep in mind, for the first sub question you have to write the formula. So number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of all possible outcomes. Okay, all possible outcomes. So that is going to be 5 divided by 25. So I can write this one as a n of e1 by n of s. That is 5 divided by 25, 1 by 5. That is the first one. Second one, see the second question, a perfect square. Okay, a perfect square. What is a perfect square? What are the perfect square in between 1 to 25? 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. Okay, these are the perfect squares. So I just call this as event number 2. So n of e2 you are going to get as 5. So p of e2 is equal to n of e2 by n of s, that is 5 divided by 25, 1 by 5 you are getting. Then c you see there. Okay, a prime number. Okay, a prime number. What are the prime number? 1 is not at all a prime number, children. 1 is not at all a prime number. So start with 2, 3, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23. Okay, these are the prime numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 you are getting. So n of event number 3 is equal to 9. So probability of event number 3 equal to n of event number 3 divided by n of s, that is 9 divided by 25. So where I cannot okay reduce it to lowest form, right? So always keep in mind that whenever probability is given, suppose if you are keeping only this as the answer, no marks will be given. If you are keeping only this as the answer, no marks will be given. Okay, it should always be reduced to the lowest form. It should always be reduced to the lowest form. Okay, so now let us take the next question. A man covers a distance of 100 kilometers. So what is the distance over here? Distance is equal to 100 kilometer, traveling with the uniform speed of, what is the speed of the person who is traveling? It is x kilometer per hour. Okay, so now what is the time here he has taken? So you know that time is equal to distance by speed. Clear? So distance is 100 kilometer by x. This much hours of time he has taken. Clear? So now had been speed 5 kilometer per hour more. Okay, so now what is the new speed? New speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, it is clearly given in the question that if the speed is been 5 kilometer per hour more, then the speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Right, now tell me, distance remains same. Distance remains same. So what is the time now? Time is going to be, time is going to be again distance by speed, 100 divided by x plus 5, this much hour. Clear? Now tell me, children, tell me, very simple concept over here. Okay, in which case the time is more, in the first case or in the second case? Please comment and tell me. Okay, please comment and tell me. Okay, in the first case time is more or Okay, in the second case time is more. Please comment and tell me. Okay, if you are traveling with more speed, you are taking less time. Okay, all right, you are traveling with more speed, you are taking less time. If you are traveling with the less speed, you are taking more time. Okay, so in the second case time is less or more. First case time is more or less. Second case time is more or less. Speed is more. Okay, so time is less. So I can write 100 divided by x minus of 100 divided by x plus 5. How much time less it has taken? 1 hour less he has taken. In the first case time is more. Okay, in the first case time is more. Yes, correct, correct, what you are telling is right, Vaishnavi. Okay, so now, yes, Vaishnavi, you are absolutely right. Okay, so now you have to bring it to the standard form. LCM is going to be x into x plus 5. Then I can write this one as 100 into x plus 5 minus of 100x is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Are you all getting this one? How I wrote this one? Now I remove the bracket over here. 100x plus of 500 minus of 100x divided by x square plus of 5x is equal to 1. Clear? So now I can cancel this plus, okay, 100x minus 100x. Then I can write this one as a 500 is equal to x square plus 5x. Okay, right. So split the middle term. Okay, split the middle term, right? No, let's see Bhagat. Okay, so x square plus of 5x minus of 500 equal to 0 I get. Okay, so now you have got the equation in the standard form. Okay, so you prime factorize whenever you are finding the prime factorization. Okay, you must make sure that you are finding the combination over here. You are finding the combination over here. Okay, so always you keep in mind that whenever I splitting and factorizing it, out of two signs I am making them as three signs. Okay, out of three signs, if there are minus sign, there should be two minus sign, otherwise no minus sign. If there are minus sign, there should be two minus sign, otherwise no minus sign. So x square, I'll keep this plus as it is, minus 500 is equal to 0. Plus into minus, minus. Okay, so now when I prime factorize it, 250s, okay, 125s, okay, then I can take 525s, okay, 5 5s, 5 1s. Okay, so now I need to find for the factors. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, 20 and 25, 20 and 25. See, 20 into 25, I'll get it as 500. When I subtract, how do I get to know I should subtract and get 5? Here if I'm writing one number, this number is having positive sign, and the number whatever I'm writing over here is having a negative sign. So I can get to know the number 5 is obtained by subtracting two numbers. Okay, subtracting two numbers. So I can write this one. See, the sign of the number whatever I'm writing over here, the bigger number should carry plus sign. So I'll get to know that this is 25x minus of 20x. Okay, now you group and factorize. So x is taken common, x plus 25 minus of 20, x plus 25 equal to 0. So x plus 25, then x minus 20 equal to 0. Then x plus 25 equal to 0, or x minus 20 equal to 0. So it is zero product rule. Zero product rule. So I can write x is equal to minus 25, x is equal to 20. So here this is ignored. Why? Because speed cannot be negative. Speed cannot be negative. So therefore you are just asked to find the x, the original speed. So therefore original speed, okay, original speed is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. So this is going to be your answer. Okay, so okay, this is going to be your answer, right? So now let us see the next question, which is on the mensuration. Okay, so now it is given to you that a solid is in the shape of a hemisphere of radius 7 centimeter, okay, surmounted by a cone of height of 4 centimeter. Okay, the solid is immersed completely in the cylindrical container filled with the water. right, to certain height. If the radius of the cylinder is 14 centimeter, find the raise in the level of the water. Okay, so I can see here simple principle of Archimedes, children. Whenever a object is dipped inside the water, it displaces the same volume of water. It displaces the same volume of water. So I can write over here volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere equal to volume of water in the cylinder. What is volume of the cone? It is a pi. Okay, so here I can write for cone what is radius. Radius is equal to for hemisphere also, for hemisphere, okay, a solid in the form of hemisphere of radius 7 centimeter. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter, surmounted by a cone of height. Okay, height is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, radius should be same again. Okay, is immersed completely in a cylindrical container filled with the water to certain height. Radius of the cylinder is 14. For cylinder, radius is equal to, okay, I'll just take it as a bigger radius. Radius is equal to 14 centimeter. So now I'm supposed to find out the height, okay, which is been raised. So now volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, plus of volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, is equal to volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, big R I'm taking it. So now if you observe, okay, don't separately find out, children. You are supposed to find out, okay, anything is common. Can I take out anything common? Yes, many things are common here. So I can take out pi r square common, by 3 also can be taken common. Okay, then h plus 2r will remain inside. H plus 2r will remain 1 by 3 pi r square. Yes, okay, is equal to pi, and a big R is given to you as 14 square into h. So now you can cancel this pi, and pi can be cancelled. Okay, what is the value of r? R is nothing but the radius, that is 7 square by 3 into height of what? Height of the cone it is, that is 4, plus 2 into r is how much? 7. Okay, radius is 7. Okay, this is equal to 14 into 14 into h. Okay, I'm supposed to find out h. So I can write this one as 7 into 7 into, this is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18 divided by 3. Okay, this 14 and 14 will come down, is equal to h I get. Okay, so now I can do the cancellation. 3 ones are 3, 6 are. So 1s are 2s are, 1s are 2s are. So I get it 1s are 3s are. So I get the h as, therefore h is equal to 3 by 2. So h is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So I can write therefore rise in the level of water is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Raise in the level of water is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Very good children. Many of you are writing the answers over here. Okay, that is nice of you, very nice of you. Okay, so question number 8, 9 and 10, can we do that in the next class? Can we take it tomorrow, children? Okay, right, so can we take the 8, 9, 10 in the next class? Okay, tomorrow if you are serious, I can come online tomorrow. If you are not serious, I cannot come. Okay, we complete this question paper and we'll take up some higher order and really the competency focused questions from tangents and secant properties, trigonometric identities, okay, and many of the things. Good morning, Shreya. Good morning, ma. Okay, right, if you are really so serious, okay, I will definitely come, and I will definitely Rishik, okay, right, be serious, right. So definitely I will let you know, children. I will let you know tomorrow. Most probably I will drop a short, or I'll come online just like today, and I will let you know the timings, or I'll just do a post in my, okay, channel, right, about the time. So question number 8, 9, 10, we'll complete this complete question paper tomorrow, and we are going to deal with some more higher order questions on trigonometric identities, heights and distances, okay, tangent and secant properties, ratio proportion, whichever topics you say, okay, whichever topics you say, okay. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the videos to your friends. Clear? Okay, I hope so. The today's session was useful. Please say yes or no. Okay, right. Please say yes or no. Please like, please give some hearts, give some likes. Okay, so it's just a motivation, children. It's just a motivation for me. Okay, right. So please spread, okay, and ask your friends to join. Let them also take the best use. Whichever questions, I'll pick some questions. See here, I cannot ask you doubt. You cannot post the doubts. In fact, in the live stream, I will take some questions. Okay, definitely I will take some questions which are really higher order here, which are really higher order. Okay, so then we'll see you all tomorrow. Clear? See you all tomorrow. I'll confirm the timings. Okay. So till then, take care, keep working. Don't simply see and enjoy. I want you guys to have a notebook, pen, pencil, okay, and start solving along with me. Okay, start solving along with me. Right, then only you can expect some good result, and you can feel that, even I can feel that you are taking use of it. Okay, so take care, children, keep working. From this only we are going to continue in the tomorrow's class, right? Yeah, take care, keep working, bye bye.